On the last video, we got weird. Maybe even a little
too weird?
So on today's video, we're going to try and get less weird. We're going to head to Blores Hill Mtb Park. When I think about the terrain at Blores Hill, I think Yuyangs, Harcourts, Threadbow or Kalamunda if you've been to Western Australia. It's that loose pea gravel, and man, it can get sketchy in the corners. Man, it's an awesome day. From the car park, we're going to head towards Creek Track. There's lots of ups and downs, you can still get a bit of flow. It's loose. It is so dry out here compared to the rest of Gippsland, and we've had so much rain lately. So if you love technical rocky climbs, you're gonna love the Trig Track. I definitely don't love technical rocky climbs. Guess I'm just a coward. So rocky. Oh, the rocks. Oh yes. Gotta have a shot at this little climb. Climbing's never really been my thing, but see how it goes. Oh no, you're fucked up. Oh no. God. Shit, how? I've never been so scared trying to pedal up something. That's it. Oh, no more. Oh, this is really cool. The rock features in Blores Hill are insane. The little line here and that little drop, you could go around there, and then you got the standard little chute. Just look at all the rocks, it's unreal. Whoa, 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 hold on. We're still going up the trig. So once we finally make it up the Trig Track, we're greeted with a fully sick view. Good spot for a snack. Not bad, not bad. So I met a trail builder up here called Roger, and he recommended that we do Matilda, but we go this way. Because I think this is the way they go in the Blores Hill 6-hour enduro. And it is so rocky. Oh shit. Nice. Woo! Yes. Off camber. It gets a bit flowy. Nice. Clear that. Ooh. Oh shit. Oh, yep. Oh, that bit was really cool. And those carpeted berms just hold the traction so well. But then you come off those carpeted berms and she's a bit wild.
Once I get to the bottom of Matilda, I'll start heading towards BMT. I'll follow the family loop and I'm there before I know it. But that's another video for another day. Blores Hill really does have something for everyone, except for my friend Jackson Price, because he can be a bit of a dickhead. Thanks heaps for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.